This is a Mike's Movies review in the shed. Hi YouTubers, this is Mike from Mike's Movies. Yes, I'm still active and producing films for this channel. Now recently tragedy struck me when my 3-cell Maglite torch, used 3D cells, corroded, well the batteries corroded inside and expanded to such an extent that it was impossible to remove them. I understand this is a bit of a problem with these torches due to heat and the batteries swelling up. They're good quality Duracells, but nonetheless they ruined the torch and I was absolutely mortified. I'd had that torch for 20 years and it was fantastic. So I've been on the lookout for a replacement. Now clearly I could have bought another Maglite, but currently the cheapest I could find one was around £33. And I also read a lot of reviews saying how poor the light was with new LED type torches. Now I was thinking quality over cheapness and all the rest of it, but nonetheless for £15 I found another 3-cell torch, aluminium bodied, focusable, 2 light settings and a Cree LED lamp. Now those produce really bright white light, and this is the torch I went for. As you can see, it's made by Sealey. It's 10 watt T6 Cree LED aluminium torch, and I got mine from Amazon. I've no connection with either company, but I am certainly very pleased with this so far. The torch comes in a nice presentation box. As you can see, it sits in foam rubber, and there's the torch itself. Has a really good lens there. That's the focusable section, and the power comes from here. Now that's currently on its bright setting, I think. You have a 30% setting, which that is on, and then if you click it again on and off, you come onto your full brightness, which as you can see is extremely bright. Focus wise, it goes from wide, which I'm on now, all the way down till you can actually see the LED filament itself. You can actually make out the little dots of all the individual bulbs or LEDs. So really pleased with this. Good and heavy, and I think, you know, it's going to be a useful replacement. Let's just have a look inside for you. Unscrews here for your batteries. You do indeed have O-rings. If you can see that on here. Let's see if we can focus a bit better. Yeah, there we go. So you've got an O-ring, and there's your 3 cells. Now these batteries have seen use in a radio for a little time, so they're not even fresh, but already we've got incredible brightness. Right, so the next thing to do is to take this for a little walk later on this evening when it's dark and do some tests and let you see the results. Let's have a look here. You see we can light up that exercise area quite nicely. So I'll turn the torch off now. Did it make a big difference?
It does, yes.
It does, doesn't it?
It does.
Now let's put it on. There it is, it's full power again. It makes a good difference, doesn't it?
It does.
And for walking, well, you only need it on the low setting really, and then open out the zoom, and that's quite good for the path, isn't it? You see everything you want to. What do you think?
I think it's a good bargain.
Yeah, not bad for £15. So, alright, it's early days. It's got O-rings. I wouldn't say it's waterproof, it's definitely water resistant. But for 15 quid you can't really go wrong these days, and it's Sealey, which is a British company. Right, so we're in the pouring rain now, aren't we, Cheryl?
We are.
Which isn't great. We've got the torch on and we thought it would give you more chance to see what it can do. So there's how far away is that from us, do you reckon?
Oh gosh, I don't know.
Well, we're on wide angle lens, so it probably looks further, but that's a good distance away. But you can see the beam now, that's on the field, and there we are, we've reached over the other side there. It is getting the trees. Probably the people in those houses are wondering what's happening. Bright as a headlight? Well, there's a headlight just coming over there, look. Oh, it's gone. And then we'll go back to floodlight, and as you can see, it opens up the whole area for us. Look at that. It's fantastic, isn't it? With some nice Christmas lights in the background. Anyway, this is probably the Christmas video for Mike's Movies, so happy Christmas from Mike's Movies.
Merry Christmas.
In the pouring rain.
And windy.
We're in West Sussex, as you probably already know. Having a lovely evening walk to look at the Christmas lights and getting soaked. So that's the end of the review. Thanks for watching.